Welcome to the solution of exam May exam 2025 AISL paper 1 time zone 1 question number 7. Finally we reached the probability, something related to probability, how to identify. Let's make a short overview of this question. It's a 5 marks total, and the words probability given somewhere here, and there are two parts, A and B, 1 and 4 marks respectively distributed. Then 5 children and something like this. Yeah, and now we are ready to read it more carefully. Yeah, so let's start. Children inherit genes from their biological parents that determine their eye color. Maria and Alex plan to have 5 children. The probability that the child born to Maria and Alex will have brown eyes is 0.75, pretty high, right? It's assumed that the child's eyes color is independent to any other child's eye color. Maria and Alex wish to predict how many of their 5 children will have brown eyes. Okay, and the question. Let's first read the question, and then we will start to convert into mathematical language using the symbols and numbers. Question A. State one criterion in addition to independence that would support them using a binomial distribution to find probabilities for their prediction. Okay. So what support we can use here? We can use any of the following parameters. There are two possible outcomes. Yeah, there are two possible outcomes: brown eyes or not brown eyes. Also, we can say that the probability of brown eyes is constant, the same, 0.75. And finally, we can say that it is number of trials is fixed. Okay, it is 5. Okay, so any of these parameters will give you 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark, 1 minute. Now let's turn. So it says that we just understood that it is binomial distribution, and let's state our distribution using the special symbols of binomial distribution. So let's say that X is a number of children with brown eyes. So X is distributed binomially with N and P. As you remember, binomial distribution N and P. So N is the number of trials and P is the probability of each trial. So here we have number of trials is 5. And the probability of each trial, we are talking about the brown eyes, it's 0.75. Okay. Now, calculate the probability that exactly 3 out of 5 children will have brown eyes. Now, you will use GDC, but before that, it is better to write next thing, that probability of X is equal to 3, exactly 3 kids. And now you can use GDC to find the binomial distribution. Please find the binom CDF. Okay, binom CDF. Sorry, binom PDF. Yeah, binom PDF. Binom CDF is going to be used in the part B2. Binom PDF, and after pressing the buttons, you will get the value of 0.264 for 3 significant figures. This is the answer for part B1. Okay, part B2. It says that at least 4 out of 5 children will have brown eyes. So let's write it in this way. At least 4 means more or equal than 4. Okay, and we can use our binom CDF. If you have calculator of Casio and TI Inspire, you can straightforward calculate this value. If you have TI 84, you should convert into this form: 1 minus P of X less or equal than 3. Anyway, you will have the final answer as 0.633. Okay, that's how we can solve this type of the question. Yeah, usually to students I say that this kind of question should be solved twice faster as required. Yeah, so if you see that it is 5 marks total, it's better you can easily solve it for 2-3 minutes. Okay, so it was a question for binomial distribution. Let's go to the next question. See you in the next video.